Think chia seeds are the ultimate superfood? What if I told you they might be doing more harm than good? These 4 common mistakes could turn your healthy habit into a hidden health hazard. And trust me, mistake number 3 is so sneaky, most people never realize they're making it. Before we start, I'm curious. Do you use chia seeds every day? Let me know in the comments how you usually take them: dry, soaked, or blended into a smoothie. While chia seeds are praised as nutritional powerhouses packed with fiber, omega-3s, and antioxidants, the truth is most people use them incorrectly. Today, I'll reveal 4 critical mistakes that could quietly undermine your health and show you exactly how to fix them. The first mistake is the most immediate danger, yet many overlook it. When you eat dry chia seeds, they begin absorbing moisture the moment they enter your body. These tiny seeds can soak up to 12 times their weight in liquid, expanding inside your throat or digestive tract. Medical journals have reported cases where people required emergency treatment after eating dry chia seeds. If you're a senior or have swallowing difficulties, the risk is even higher. What seems like a harmless habit can lead to serious blockages needing medical help. The safe solution: always soak chia seeds before eating. Use 1 tablespoon of seeds with 3 to 4 tablespoons of water or your favorite liquid. Let them sit for 10 to 15 minutes until they form a gel-like texture. This simple step transforms them from risky to safe and easily digestible. Now, if that first mistake surprised you, the next one might sound like the opposite problem, but it's just as sneaky. While soaked chia seeds can help with hydration, they can also cause dehydration if you're not drinking enough water. Here's why. Chia seeds act like sponges in your digestive system, pulling water from your body's reserves. If you're not staying hydrated, you may feel tired, dizzy, or foggy, without realizing why. This is especially risky for seniors, athletes, or anyone taking medications that affect hydration. It starts subtly, but can strain your kidneys over time. The hydration fix: for every tablespoon of chia seeds, drink at least 2 extra glasses of water daily. Spread it throughout the day, not all at once. Keep a water bottle nearby, or set reminders if you tend to forget. Proper hydration ensures chia seeds work for you, not against you. By the way, have you ever felt unusually tired even when eating healthy? You might have just found the reason. Now comes the sneaky mistake I mentioned earlier, the one most chia seed users make unknowingly. Chia seeds contain delicate omega-3 fatty acids that are highly sensitive to light, heat, and air. When exposed, they can go rancid, losing nutrition and forming harmful oxidized compounds. What's worse, rancid chia seeds often look and taste almost normal until the damage is done. Many people store them in clear jars or near the stove, unknowingly turning a superfood into something harmful. The storage solution: always store chia seeds in airtight, opaque containers and keep them in the refrigerator. Before using, do a quick smell test. Fresh chia seeds have a mild, nutty scent, while rancid ones smell bitter or like old paint. If you detect any off odor, toss them out. Proper storage preserves both nutrition and safety. And finally, mistake number 4, the one that ruins the chia seed experience for many. While these seeds are great for digestion, eating too much too soon can overwhelm your system. Many health enthusiasts dive right in, unaware their digestive system needs time to adjust. This sudden fiber overload can cause bloating, gas, and cramping, the very symptoms that make people quit chia seeds altogether. But your gut needs a slow introduction to high-fiber foods. The gradual approach: start with a 1/4 teaspoon daily in your first week. See how your body reacts. In week 2, increase to 1/2 teaspoon. Gradually build up over 4 to 6 weeks until you reach your ideal amount. Listen to your body. If you feel discomfort, slow down. Patience here pays off with long-term digestive comfort. True health isn't about adding more. It's about using what you already have the right way. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with someone who uses chia seeds daily, And don't forget to subscribe for more simple healthy truths that actually work.